My name is Daron Brown with FD Lawrence Electric in Cincinnati, Ohio. I am the Board of Directors President for the Eclipse Users Group. My role is business analyst, responsible for the overall application of the Eclipse software, as well as data mining, pulling out information that salespeople or customers need. Get them the information they need broken down in several different ways. We use it throughout pretty much all of our departments for all of our data sources that help the purchasing guys monitor their purchasing habits, the accounting people, it helps them get better vision into the problems that they can't find through the ERP. We try to make all of our decisions based on as much analytical information as we can get. So the more detailed the data I get out, the better decisions we make when it comes time to make those decisions. My two favorite features in Phocas are the customization, so being able to design the screens to look the way I want them to, as well as the database designer. As a member of the Eclipse Users Group board, I feel like Phocas is a strong tool that I need to be reaching out to more people, suggesting that they be using it if they're not already.